Hello everybody, we are together after a long time. So this is your math teacher. So now let's continue to our chapter. So we have new chapter that is divisibility. First we have section is even and odd numbers. Everybody, first of all, as you know, we have numbers. The numbers you have learned starts 0 to forever, right? So we can group the numbers, these numbers, as odd or even number. First of all, now let's look at the even number. Even number, you have to look at the last digit. If your last digit is 02468, we call as even number. We have some example about even number. First, 6. 6, the last digit is 6, so 6 is between these numbers. Okay, now let's look at 28. So now let's look at just last digit. Last digit is 8, so 8 is between these numbers. So we have another example that is 314. So the last digit that is 4 is between these numbers. Yes, 4 is here. Now let's look at the last example about even number, 5390. So the last digit is 0. Is 0 between these numbers? Yes, 0 is here. Because of that, 5390 is even number. Now let's look at odd number. Odd number, so you look at just last digit. If your last digit ends with 13579, we call as odd number. We have some example about that. First, 5. As you know, we look at the last digit, that is 5. So is 5 between these number? Yes, 5 is here. Because of that, we call 5 is odd number. 99. Second example of that. So 99, the last digit is 9. So is 9 between these number 13579? Yes, 9 is here. Because of that, 99 is odd number. Also, we have another example that is 793. So the last digit is 3. So is 3 between these numbers? Yes, 3 is here. So because of that, 793 is odd number. We have last example about odd number, that is 9871. So the number ends with 1. So 1 is 1 between these numbers. Yes, 1 is here. So because of that, 9871 is odd number. We have an example about even and odd number. So the example says which numbers are odd and even. First of all, when look at this one, we have number line. We have numbers on the line that starts 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now let's look at which numbers are odd or even. First, as you know, we start 0. 0 is even, 1 odd, 2 even, 3 odd, 4 even, 5 odd, 6 even, 7 odd, 8 even, 9 odd number. Everybody, so we have another definition of them, even number. So now let's look at this one, 02468. Even number is any number that you can share. So you can give your friends and you can take from yourself. So but now let's look at odd number. Odd number is any number that you cannot share. So 1 you cannot share exactly by a whole number. 3 you cannot share by 7, and 9 you cannot share by a whole number. So now let's look at another page. We have exercise. First, write down whether the following numbers are even or odd number. So we have many kinds of many questions about odd number or even number. Just you write even or odd. For example, 112. You look at just last digit, that is 2. Is 2 between these even numbers? So even numbers which are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Yes, because of that, 112 is even number. So after that, we write here even. Okay, what about 619? So you look at just last digit, that is 9. Is 9 between odd numbers which are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9? Yes. Because of that, you write Also we write odd number. That's it. All the questions you look at like that, then you can write even or odd. Now let's look at question 2. Write E for even number and O for odd number. Everybody, so now let's look at the first example. So we have the last digit, that is 8. So what is 8? So which kind of number that is 8? So 8 is even number. So because of that, 68 is even. So we write just E. What about 999? So just look at the last digit, that is 9. So what kind of number that is 9? So 9 is odd digit number, so odd number. Because of that, 999 is odd number. We write just O. Okay, everybody, now we have home activity. So circle the odd numbers in red. Odd numbers in red and even numbers in blue color. Everybody, first let's find the odd number. Is 1 odd number? Yes. So in red. So I made a mistake, sorry about that. First of all, in red, odd number. 1 is odd number. 2, 9 is odd number. 7 is odd number. And 5 is odd number. Then 3 is odd number. Now even number in blue. Now let's choose the color blue. Then let's make a circle. 4, 10, 8, 6 and 2. That's it. Easy example for home. Okay, now let's continue. So we have finished. So as you can see, so it's very easy to understand 6.1, that is even and odd number. So next lesson we are going to talk about 6.2 divisibility rules. Take care of yourself. See you.